I tried to leave this on your phone twice, and that didn't work, so I'm going to leave it online just long enough for you to see it. This is called The Hazards of Ben. My friend Ben and I rode out inside his SUV past the time of arrival for a concert in Raleigh, and there we came upon a different version of this song, singing, oh, the hazards of Ben, singing, oh, the hazards of Ben. I knew that once again the prettiest ringtones won't summon his cell phone to call. One, two, three, four. Thou inconsolable brother, says me now, when wilt thou trouble the phone lines for the call out? And what irascible excuse is it this time? Carrier, carrier, please shatter this barrier. Let Ben know it's time to call me back. Verizon, Verizon, broaden his horizons. And calling out is something Ben does lack. And all this waiting is fine, but now it is time for Ben to call. And I may kick a small furry animal if you don't call. Can you call me now? Can you call me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Yes, we've got Verizon. It's the largest 3G network.